So the company that I work for is called Mass Movement. Me personally, I am an operations analyst and national account manager. I've been with the company for a little over 5 years now. What we do is we deliver and install, do internal moves of commercial fitness equipment for various amounts of customers. Wow, that's a deep question, to be honest, because at first I never thought that the, the project would go the way they did. We work with an outside consultant, and they actually, found you guys first. I did some research on you guys. Looks like you did really great work. So what we did was we decided to partner up with you and develop our very own like scheduling software from the ground up. Because since we have such a unique business, there are a lot of out-of-box scheduling softwares, but they weren't really meeting like our needs in particular. We really needed something custom. That's why I said it was a longer question to answer, because at first we just started with the schedule, and then we realized the quality of work that you guys were giving us and the product that you were creating with us, that we said, wow, we could really branch this off and create a much bigger suite to fit our needs. And that's what we've done for, I think we've been working with you guys or working on this huge project, I would say probably close to 3 years probably. So it's been quite the adventure, but it's been a good one. You guys have done very, very good work for us. Because it was actually, like I said, it was a recommendation from a business consultant that's been working with our company for a very long time. To be honest, he's the one that initially found you guys. He brought the idea to us. We investigated more. We saw that you guys were, pretty much a close-knit company. Seemed like you guys were relatively small, but like did great work for bigger names, and you had very good reliability, good ratings. You guys were very, very good with customer service and getting back to your customer when you had issues and like working with each other. When I saw that was a big deal for me, because there's a lot of these big box companies that aren't as good with like the management of the team. You know what I mean? And you guys have been really, really good with that, for us at least. So the project managers that I'm working with have been really, really great with that. So yeah, like I said, I mean, throughout the 3 years, we've been through everything. We've been through like initial creation. We've been through tens of updates. We've been through, troubleshooting, pretty much everything you could think of as far as creating software, right? I've personally been working with Olga and Lyra from your team, and I can't say enough about the work that they have done for me personally and the company. Their work ethic, their will to just answer questions around the clock, because I know there's a big hour difference between where we are and where they are. So, their will to just answer questions around the clock, help around the clock, their turnaround time is just simply amazing. I mean, so when you guys send us a big update, I very rarely ever need to come back at them and say, look, this is not working. This is not working. It really, to be honest, it very rarely happens. In a scenario that it does, though, I mean, within 24 to 48 hours, it's fixed. Like, it's just, the service that they provide and the turnaround time that they provide is just really unmatched, to be honest, from what I've seen. But as far as the production value, bar none. You guys have been hands down amazing with everything that we've done with all four softwares that we've done with you guys. And if we ever decide to, create any kind of custom software again, I mean, it's going to be you guys. I mean, there's no one else who I'd rather go with. It's just the work that you guys have done for us is just amazing, and I would definitely recommend. I mean, I have recommended it to other colleagues, or recommended you guys to other colleagues, and I would obviously use you guys again in a heartbeat.